Hi guys!
Welcome to our first tutorial video.
Today, we will be teaching you how to convert the standard form of an ellipse into its general form.
First, we must bear in mind the general equation of an ellipse. ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals 0, where a and b are greater than 0. And with that, the value of a and b should be positive. For our first example, we have the quantity of x plus 3 squared over 64 plus quantity of y minus 2 squared over 9 equals 1. In order to solve this equation, the first step we should take is eliminating the denominator by finding the LCD, or the least common denominator of the numbers 64 and 9. Or let's say, we will be determining what number is a factor of these two. Coming back, let's just multiply 64 and 9. Then the product would be 576.
After finding the LCD, we'll be multiplying 576 to the whole equation to get rid of the denominator. To eliminate the denominator, let's divide 576 to 64, and this will give us 9. Next, 576 divided by 9, the quotient is 64. For the second step, we should expand and simplify the equation by following the PEMDAS rule. We'll then solve the quantity of x plus 3 squared and the quantity of y minus 2 squared by FOIL method. We multiply the 2x, the 3's, and the x, and the constant numbers. The same will be applied to the quantity of y minus 2 squared.
Now, we have 9 multiplied to quantity of x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 64 multiplied to quantity of y squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 576. For the third step, let's distribute 9 and 64 to the equation right beside them. For our fourth step, let's transfer 576 to the other side and combine all constant terms. That would be 9x squared plus 54x plus 81 plus 64y squared minus 256y plus 256 minus 576 equals 0.
From the standard form, quantity of x plus 3 squared over 64 plus quantity of y minus 2 squared over 9 equals 1, we now have the general form, which is 9x squared plus 64y squared plus 54x minus 256y minus 239 equals 0.
Now, your turn!